Hello everyone, so welcome back. This is stage 8. What I'm going to show you first is we've gone and put the first fix in, which is all the wiring and electrical wiring. We've also gone and cut back, which is 1 metre from the edge of the garage. You can see here now. The reason why we've done this is so we can feather in the block work. Nicely ramps up slowly so you can hardly see this, and as you can see it now there. Some people only remove 1 brick, but that means you have a sharp ramp up, which is not the best, especially you want that smooth transition from your external into the garage. So as I said, the first fix wiring is now done. We've dot and dabbed plasterboards on the wall. Behind the plasterboards, I'll show you a picture now, we've insulated behind the plasterboard. This one has also had infrared heating behind there as well. It's going to be a really high-end garage. And we've gone and put the tape on the ceiling. We've done a first coat over that, and then we fully skim. Look at these pictures now. Really big job. It was all done in 1 day on the plastering. And then it's literally insulated garage door, which is a third-party company, and then we'll second fix the electrics, which I'll show you that on stage 9. It'll be pretty simple, pretty quick, and that'll be the end of this job. So I hope that's helped. I'll see you at stage 9.